Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys how to fix WhatsApp multiple accounts feature not showing in your iPhone. So yeah. So first open up settings and then search for offload. And then what you want to do is look for WhatsApp and then offload the app. And then go to settings and then make sure that your Apple version is up to the latest date. So if it's not, please update it. And then what you want to do now is go to the App Store, search for WhatsApp, and then make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. And then try opening it again and check if you have the multiple accounts feature. But if that doesn't work, what you can also do is open up WhatsApp, click on Help, click on Help Center, and then scroll down until you see Contact Support. Click on that and then type in your problem. So let's just say that multiple accounts feature is not in my device. And then just click on Next. And then click on Send My Question to WhatsApp Support. And then as you can see, your ticket number is this, and then just wait for the WhatsApp team to reply to your problem and fix your problem. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to fix WhatsApp multiple accounts feature is not showing. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.